Hello there. Today we're going to learn how to create a simple hover animation, so let's get started. Firstly, we'll select the group on our interface. Make sure you have the right one selected. Once that's done, we're going to head over to the Advanced tab and select the Interaction Builder. This is where the magic happens. Let's give our interaction a name. Next, we need to select the block we wish to affect. In this case, we want to create an effect on the image. Now let's select the effect. We're going to choose Hover for this demonstration. We're now ready to set the effect. We'll select Transform under our Canvas settings. To make the hover effect more noticeable, we'll set the scale to 106%. Now we're going to create a new interaction. This time we want to hide the text when the image is hovered over. Again, we'll select Transform. Now select Translate and set it to -88. This will move the text out of the way when the image is hovered over. Let's preview what we have so far. It seems to be overlapping. No worries, we can fix that. By setting the overflow to hidden, we can stop any elements from overlapping. Perfect. That's looking much better. And there you have it. A simple yet effective hover animation. Thanks for watching.